Is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be fishing at Houghton's pond. I haven't really been having any luck here, so I'm going to try it out. So let's go. And if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's hop right into it. I brought my boots today, so I'm going to walk in the just got some water inside the boot. That did not feel good. I got my bait caster right here, and I got tied on a chatterbait with a trailer, Guggen trailer. I forget which one it's called. It's probably called, oh yeah, it's the bandito bug. Really good for, like, putting on, like, backs of trailers and Texas rigging. One of my favorite Guggen baits. Soft plastic Guggen baits. I think I get stuck on weeds right here. Yeah. Oh, wait, never mind. It's definitely deep out. Well, not really deep, but the water level has definitely risen a lot. Cause I used to be able to like walk out pretty like another like 6 to 10 feet further out with these boots. So, whew. Gonna cast over there along a little towards the shoreline. See if there's anything over there. It's like probably like 46 degrees, I think. It's kind of cold, but I might throw on like a deep diving crankbait or something, or like a swim bait, something that'll go deep, hit the bottom or something like that. Ooh. I had a jerkbait on my other rod, so I was hoping to catch something on the jerkbait, because I normally catch like a lot of stuff on my jerkbait, like from like crappie to bass to like bluegill. It's like this small jerkbait. It's really good. I think I've caught my personal best on it, I think. Well, I think I caught my personal best on a chatterbait. Like, chatterbaits are like one of my favorite baits, so. Oh, I think the wind's against me right here. Ooh. Nice. On the shoreline here. Probably gonna do a time lapse, so I don't have like 30 minutes or like an hour of me just standing here with like first person like cam, like first person angles, so I'll probably like do it like really fast and stuff, something like that. See you then. Just switch spots, and hopefully I catch a fish. think I might switch rods to my jerk bait, so, well, yeah, like jerk bait / like crankbait. I can't really tell between some jerk baits and some crankbaits, so. I think I got, wait, never mind. I haven't really seen anything or got any bites recently, so getting kind of desperate. That was a good cast right up on the shoreline. Then reel it in slowly. Oh, wait, never mind. I think I just hit a bush or something. Then I got a hit. I think I might do a video soon on what's better for you, bait cast or a spinning reel, so stay tuned for that. I think I was originally gonna do that for this video instead, but I didn't feel like doing it today instead, so I felt like going like fishing at Houghton, so. Oh, got a tiny bird's nest. Ooh. If you have any video ideas or something, leave a comment down below and I'll probably look at it, so. I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here, so make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because we do fishing, mountain biking, and skiing videos, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.